Welcome to Kitchen Princess Bamboo Japanese Everyday Food. Today I'm going to be making stuffed whole cabbage. Stuffed cabbage, in other words, roll kyabetu in Japanese, is one of the most popular Western-style Japanese dishes. I like it, but it takes time to prepare to roll them up. I made it simple but looks gorgeous than the regular individual size stuffed cabbage. Let's get started. Let's prepare cabbage first. I am using a head of spring cabbage which weighs about 2 pounds. If you are using a winter cabbage, it is also good. It might weigh 3 pounds. Take off the outer leaf. Insert the tip of the knife around the core. Take out the core and dig a halfway, about 4 inches in diameter. You want to make sure to make a hole good enough to stuff your filling. Now let's prepare the filling. Chop your onion into small pieces, as well as cabbage you have just taken out. Put your ground chicken in a medium bowl. Add egg whites, salt and pepper, and potato starch. Egg white and potato starch bind everything tight. Mix well until sticky. When it looks like this, add onion and cabbage and mix until evenly distributed. Stuff the filling in the hole tightly. Tap gently to remove the air bubbles. It depends on the size of the cabbage how much the filling in goes. Keep the leftover filling on your hand for later use. Transfer the stuffed cabbage into the pressure cooker. Line an outer leaf underneath. Add roller leaves, chicken cubes, and water. Put the lid on and turn the heat to medium-high. Cook 15 minutes after the steam comes out from the weight. Adjust the time to your pressure cooker. Take out the cabbage by using 2 spoons onto your serving dish. Carefully flip it over. Take off the outer leaf which you lined underneath. Keep warm until we are finishing the sauce. Add a can of diced tomato. Bring it to a boil. This is optional, but add broccoli and the leftover filling shaped into a ping pong ball. Put the lid on and cook 3 minutes until cooked through. Add potato starch solution to thicken the sauce. Pour onto the cabbage and there you have stuffed whole cabbage. Cut the cabbage as we do to the cake. It is so tender and smells fantastic. Serve with a generous amount of tomato sauce which contains the sweet juice from the cabbage. The filling is flavorful thanks to the garlic. Cabbage is well cooked and so soft. The combination of filling, cabbage and tomato sauce is so good. It reminds me of my childhood. Give it a try and let me know how you like it. Thank you for watching the video. Please thumbs up if you like my video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Follow me on my social media for daily update other than the recipes. And go to my website princessbamboo.com for the full recipe and more information. And if you don't know where to find Japanese ingredients and kitchen tools, visit my website on Amazon. They have pretty much everything and open 24/7. Thanks again and I will catch you again in a week. Bye!